Harriet, hi. How are you? Good to see you.
Welcome to
Good to see
Mogadishu.
you. Ah, so, how are things here?
Changing every moment.
Oh, okay. Good. Where are we going?
And then the Hammond Meets Somali.
Excellency, how are you? Very good to see you. How are you? Good to see you.
Thank you.
Condolences on the terrible attack you just saw.
Madam President, good morning.
Thank you very much. Once again, condolences. We're committed. We've been here for a long time. We've seen some very solid progress. What's happening here now is making Somalia safer, but it's also making Britain safer. It's addressing our security concerns, it's addressing our migration concerns, and having a stable and secure Somalia is good for Britain as well as good for Somalia.
Hi,
Hi.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. This is my team. We are embedded within the Amazon headquarters. So,
Yep.
with the exception of the sealers and the medic, who are there for UK-facing responsibility. And basically, we do a bit of advising. It's all
Much of a multinational headquarters.
very multinational, not very joint, and not particularly it has a number of funny approaches, multiple approaches, language. So half the stuff out of English.
Yeah.
I mean, there's certain nations that it's much easier for us to work with either because of sort of they have a fairly Anglophile approach anyway.
Yeah.